Okay, welcome to lesson one, where we're going to be generating some ebook and digital product ideas with the help of our good old friend ChatGPT. The most common block I hear from fellow creators: I want to sell a digital product, but I have no idea what to make. Sound familiar? No stress. I've got a ChatGPT prompt that will unlock unlimited digital product ideas tailored to your audience, your niche, and your strengths. You can use this for ebooks, guides, templates, mini courses, swipe files, whatever you're planning to sell. The prompt goes as follows: act as a digital product strategist. Based on someone who teaches, and this is where you insert your niche, and this is where you insert your audience, give me 10 unique digital product ideas that solve a clear pain point, and briefly explain the transformation each one delivers. If you teach Instagram growth to artists, this could be something you can use. Or if you help fitness coaches get clients, you could use something like this. Or even if you run a YouTube channel for Shopify beginners. All you need to do is just plug that in, and ChatGPT will generate high converting ideas that are aligned with your audience's needs. Let's jump into my screen and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so the prompt goes as follows: act as a digital product strategist based on someone who teaches AI video editing to TikTok creators. Give me 10 unique digital product ideas that solve a clear pain point, and briefly explain the transformation each one delivers. Okay, so as you can see, this is what ChatGPT has come up with. We're just going to go through these ideas briefly. So we've got AI video ad blueprint pack for TikTok shop sellers, faceless video starter kit, prompt pack, which is 100 AI video editing commands for CapCut, ChatGPT, and ARC ads. It also describes what the pain points are that the digital product is addressing as well. For example, for the prompt pack, creators waste hours manually editing and redoing content. The transformation they will get: this offers ready-to-use prompts that automate 80% of their voiceovers, transitions to scene planning. Huge time saving equals to them publishing more and stressing less. We've got a split test lab, which is a TikTok video hook testing system. We've got TikTok AI video funnel templates. We've got viral sound sync toolkit, the AI editors monetization toolkit, TikTok shop video script generator, custom AI prompt tool, and then we've got client pitch deck, sell your AI video skills to brands. Just with that one prompt, this is how much output and this is how much information that ChatGPT has demonstrated for us. And you don't stop here. You take these ideas and you run them through platforms like Etsy, for example, to see what other people are already creating and how you can make those products better than what's already out there, so you're able to compete as well. So a little bit more research and you get there in the end. So again, just to quickly recap, we've got one reusable prompt, which we can see brings out some amazing results. It plugs into any niche, it focuses on transformation, not just titles, and it saves you hours of brainstorming. In the next lesson, we're going to take one of these ideas and turn it into a chapter by chapter outline.